Roadmap to become a prompt engineer. What does a prompt engineer do? A prompt engineer designs effective prompts to interact with AI models and generate accurate, relevant, and high-quality outputs. Where it's used, prompt engineering is used in AI tools, chatbots, content creation, coding assistants, automation systems, and enterprise AI solutions. Start with the basics. Understand how AI and large language models, LLMs, like GPT work. Learn prompting techniques. Master zero-shot, few-shot, and chain-of-thought prompting. Understand AI behavior. Learn how inputs, tone, and structure affect AI responses. Work with AI tools. Practice using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and other generative AI platforms. Learn prompt optimization. Refine prompts to improve accuracy, reduce errors, and get consistent outputs. Explore real use cases. Apply prompting in writing, coding, research, automation, and customer support. Understand APIs and integration. Learn how to use AI APIs to build applications. Focus on testing and evaluation. Evaluate outputs and continuously improve prompt performance. Learn basic programming. Optional Python or JavaScript helps in building AI-based solutions. Build real projects. Create chatbots, automation workflows, or AI-powered apps. Stay updated with AI trends. Keep learning about new models and prompt techniques. Be ready for challenges. Handling inconsistent responses, bias, and prompt limitations can be tricky. Think like a prompt engineer. Focus on clarity, logic, and creativity in instructions. Master AI communication. Start your journey today and become a prompt engineer, shaping the future of AI interaction.